How to delete Instagram account. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Instagram account. So, if you're ready to permanently remove your profile, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. At the very top of Account Settings, you'll see Account Center. Go ahead and select it. Scroll down to Account Settings, then choose Personal Details. Here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Then pick the account you want to remove. You'll see two options, Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Since we're deleting, choose Delete Account and press Continue. Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deleting. You have to choose something. I'll just pick something else and then tap Continue. Instagram will give you some details about what happens when you delete your account, so make sure you read through that. If you're okay with it, tap Continue. Next, enter your Instagram password to confirm it's really your account and then press Continue one last time. Finally, you'll see a confirmation page with the date until which you can cancel if you change your mind. If you're sure, just hit Delete Account. And that's it. Your account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. And that's how you delete your Instagram account in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.